everyone, back with another easy keto recipe. We've got French toast here, and I'm doing just one serving, so if you need to make more for your family, just double it, triple it, however. But you're going to need a keto-style bread, eggs, real butter, a powdered form of stevia, cinnamon, a fry pan and spatula, a bowl for mixing, a fork, a tablespoon, and a fourth teaspoon. Start by taking 4 eggs and scramble them because we're going to eat eggs after we do the French toast. Add in a tablespoon of the stevia, a fourth teaspoon of the cinnamon, mix it really well, and then let's get our fry pan heated with a tablespoon of butter on a medium heat. Once it's heated up, you'll see the butter all melted here. Then go ahead and take 2 slices of the bread and encase it or, dip it into your egg batter, making sure it gets fully coated, and then put them both into your fry pan. Once one side is fully, cooked, then go ahead and flip it over. So easy to make French toast. Put it on your plate and add the butter to let them melt. And while they're melting, then I'm just going to go ahead and make up the egg batter. So the rest of the eggs that were left over, I put it into some more melted butter, poured the mixture in. Now I know it had cinnamon and sugar. You can just do it plain, but yeah, I just wanted to use that up. Then I added the powdered sugar, and you would add a sugar-free syrup. I was out of it. And on the side with it, I also had 2 sausage patties, and that's the 4 eggs there would be a little less than 4 eggs. But the French toast itself was only 4 net carbs, 2 net carbs apiece for each one. Definitely make this for your family. It was so delicious. Keto-style French toast, you can't go wrong. And then add eggs, bacon, sausage, however you want. And always remember to what? Keep it keto.